So we are going to see today Hydel Power Project, Batukulan. You can see these lofty Himalayan mountains here. I have these kids, Hadi, Mehdi, Zuhair Abbas, and this another Renda is here with us. This video, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn about Hydel Power Project. Hydel Power Project क्या होता है? Hydel Power Project.
A hydel power project is when water comes down fast and then a generator spins and makes electricity.
Good. So Hadi, do you know? आपको पता है Hydel Power Project क्या होता है?
जो ऊपर से पानी आता है.
हाँ, देखो अभी हमें कहाँ से पानी आ रहा है ऊपर से, हम दिखाएंगे. ये देखो, these are the mountains. ये हिमालयन माउंटेन्स है, यहाँ से माउंटेन है, ठीक है. यहाँ से माउंटेन्स है, ऊपर से पानी को जमा किया जाता है, तो यहाँ से पाइप्स ये हैं, आप देख रहे हो उधर से वो पाइप्स है. These are the pipes. So ऊपर से जब पाइप से पानी नीचे लाते हैं, it comes fast. तो यहाँ पर क्या फिर होता है, यहाँ पर अंदर जनरेटर है. What is generator? Do you know what is generator made up of? Generator किसका बना हुआ होता है?
A generator is a kind of foil kind, a circle kind, like a cylinder but which has a hole in it, but which has like stuff to make when it spins very fast. It makes like, it says right there, 2 times 2 .50 megawatts.
Megawatts, yes.
Megawatts per, I think.
One important thing which we have to consider, and we have to be aware of, that when we have to measure the electric current, which is measured in amperes, and electric power, like here in this short documentary we visited the Hydel Power Project, which is measured in watts. So electric current is measured in amperes and the electric power is measured in watts. So ampere is measure of the flow of electric current in a circuit, which means indicates how many electrons are passing through a point in a circuit per second. And watt is something different. Watt measures the rate at which the electric energy is consumed, because watt is always attached with the energy. So that's why energy is consumed or produced, representing actually the intensity or the strength of the electricity. So in simple terms, ampere represents the volume of electricity, while watt represents the intensity, that is the strength of the electricity.
So megawatts. So ये क्या है? These are the units. क्या है हादी? ये units है. आप देखो तो यहाँ पर this is small Hydel Power Project. So there is a coil inside. We will go and see. And
here you can see the actual coil, the generator, which is the Hydel Power Projects. And here you can see the depiction where the water comes and the coil and the generator moves, and inside there is a coil. There are 2 magnets, and between the 2 magnets there is a coil which moves and the current is generated. And there are 2 poles here, North Pole, South Pole, and the coil moves in between the 2 magnets.
And there, let us walk, and it shows Baltikulan Small Hydel Power Project, right? So यहाँ पर क्या बनता है? Power बनता है, ठीक है? So the water comes from the mountains. So you wait. We have to get some permission from them. We can see it from outside, okay?
It's connected to the pipe.
Yes. You can see over here. Can you see the water over there through here? देखो वहाँ से दिख रहा है आपको पानी? दिख रहा है कि ना? उधर से पानी देखो, उसमें से पानी है. So पाइप से पानी आता है, it goes right down there, and there is a coil and it makes electricity. ओके हादी पीछे रहो, आगे नहीं जाना है। देखो दिस इज स्मॉल हाइडल पावर प्रोजेक्ट हियर, ओके। So nobody is allowed to touch anything here. So we just got it. So here you have seen first time in your life, you see water over there. देखो उधर से पानी है, देखो यहाँ से पाइप से पानी आता है। कहाँ से पानी आता है?
Here.
यहाँ से पानी आता है। Then the water goes from those pipes, okay. Then you can see there is a motor, spinning motor beneath there. इसके नीचे है coil, तो मोटर है। So देखो बस, या nobody know, don't go forward. और हादी पीछे रहो बच्चा, उधर नहीं जाने का। So these are the two motors down there. So you can see the water over there, right? पानी उधर से है, तो पानी घूम रहा है। यहाँ से पानी आता है तो कॉइल घूमती है। इसके नीचे मोटर है। जब मोटर यहाँ से नीचे है तो यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती है। You get the electricity from here. ये फिर वापस उधर से बाहर निकलता है वापस पानी। हाँ?
So the water inside, so the water from the mattress comes down and then from down and up.
Yeah.
And to make the inside, this box spin.
Yeah. Yeah, come back. So देखो,
After that, the water comes out, and then his legs move.
yeah, and you get the electricity from here.
And
See?
then the red boxes over there, which show the electricity from there.
हादी पीछे रहो बेटा।
Take the electricity.
हादी।
Stores in that. Stores in these boxes.
Yeah, so they control the electricity. They control the electric current which is made in this hydel power project.